we are Lightstrade.com. May I speak to Miss Yan? Hello, we are Lightstrade.com and we're showing your company to around the world. So who should I talk to?
To me?
Yeah. May I have your name, please?
My name is Sky.
Sky. Hello, Sky. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
This is a speaker for you.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, thank you. So you could introduce your company and product through our live stream platform, and the buyer could watch it on the live streaming. Thank you. Here you go.
Our company is Ningbo Yulong Lighting Company, and we are specialized in manufacture of outdoor lighting, such as floodlights and RGB Light. After more than 40 years development, we have our own electrical engine and construction engine. We have R&D team of 10 persons, a production team of 5 QCs and 50 workers, and will ensure the good quality and timely delivery for each order. And now I will introduce some products to you. And I will introduce our RGB Light. This is our RGB Light, one of our RGB Lights, and it is our own mode.
So you have the old development, the old style,
yes,
of
old
the
style.
overall mode to it.
This is like Typhoon.
It's a Typhoon pattern.
Yes, Typhoon. The name is also Typhoon, and I have a sample. This is UGR solution. UGR less than 19, and it's an anti-glare. Anti-glare. And we have another solution, and it is with microwave sensor. And when someone come, and the light will turn on.
On-off by the sensor with control.
Yes, you're right.
I can see this is with the honeycomb design with platter.
Yes. And we have another RGB. This is our another RGB light. It's like diamond cutting.
Oh.
Diamond cutting. The shape is very nice.
The diamond shape design.
Yes, the diamond shape design, and it is DOB solution without the driver. Without driver. Yes, it is 3 years warranty.
3 years warranty.
Normally, with driver it is 5 years warranty, and we have passed the CE and the CB from TUV. And
so is it that one with driver?
Yes, with driver, but this is economical solution, very cheap. It is very light.
So this is a slim design, and then this is the cost very competitive.
Yes, you're right.
And I think this floor is the hot cells.
Yes, for. And next, I will introduce some floodlights.
Floodlight, okay.
Yes. Such as like this. This is also our own mode.
This is the adjustable angle.
Yes, adjustable, and it is a CCT solution.
CCT, that means the color.
So color changeable.
I'm wondering the light, turn on the light is better for the camera. The camera show more detail about the light.
This one.
Yeah.
This one. The CCT, but it should open the junction box. The switch is inside the junction box.
Switch is inside.
The menu switch is inside the box. Need to open this screws.
Because this is outdoor product, so they put the switch inside.
Yes.
For waterproofing, and I could see that they show their IP rating on the product.
Yes, it's IP65. For this one, it also CCT solution. You can change this by this switch.
The color temperature is could have 3 options.
Yes, 3 options.
3 options.
3000 Kelvin and 65 Kelvin, and the middle one is 4005 Kelvin.
I could see the diffuser is very interesting. It looks like fluidic. Is it glass?
Yes, it's glass. It's a prismatic glass.
PC material?
No. It's also tempered glass.
Oh, tempered glass. And this is very fine.
Yeah, just like a frosted glass.
And we have smooth version, clear smooth, and the fluidic version.
Yes. And another one is this is also microwave sensor. This is a microwave sensor. This is a hole. And the detector.
Detector people when people walking around.
Yes.
To turn on and turn off automatically.
Yes, you're right.
And this is also warranty for 3 years.
Can see.
Ah, I see.
Warranty for 3 years. Yes. We also have CE and ROSE from TUV.
So this should be very popular in the Euro market.
Yes.
And I could tell this with different color of the LED strip.
Oh, this is a Tuya solution, RGB CW. We can use Tuya app to control this light. It is dimming, color switching, and turn off. And when you open music, the light will turn on like dancing.
So this is connected by Wi-Fi or connected by the Bluetooth?
By Wi-Fi.
Oh, Wi-Fi
yes.
connect. And I think it's the first time that you saw the floodlight with the RGB version.
Oh yes, you can see the color.
Yeah, this is a new product.
Yeah,
Not a lot of people that have this kind of product.
This is an intelligent product.
And you mentioned about timer. This means we could set it to certain time to on and off.
Yes, you're right. And also it is with PIR.
So our camera can shoot on it. It's Wi-Fi control, Bluetooth, and Zigbee. Sorry, I don't know what Zigbee is. There's multiple function, and this is a very cool and new product. Thank you so much. How can we contact you if the brand is interested about your product? How should they contact you?
You can send an email to me.
Can you show us your email address?
I don't have the name card.
Doesn't matter. So if the buyer wants to know more about us, you can contact lightstrade.com and then we can forward the inquiry information to you.
Yes, okay.
Thank you. So this is in Ningbo Youlong. You could contact our Lightstrade to get more information, and we will forward all your inquiry to Ningbo Youlong. Thank you so much. Thank you, Sky. Thank you for your time. Thank you.